Hi folks, Captain Greg here.
Hi, I'm Skyler.
And I'm Callie.
We're at the Miami International Boat Show and I'm on the Schaefer 450 Fly, which is one of the most recent releases in the Schaefer lineup. I'm going to give you a little tour. Hope you enjoy it.
We are with Schaefer Yachts and we would love to introduce to you the new Schaefer 450.
I'm talking to my fellow captains here. You are going to love the helm area of the Schaefer 450. First of all, you're surrounded in beautiful Italian leather. This is double stitched, the dash. It's beautifully done. You smell the leather. It smells so luxurious. In the seat as well, not only is it leather, but it moves forward, backwards, it reclines, whatever you need to do. So comfort is at its utmost. Secondly, everything is here and it's complemented by this gigantic windshield with no obstructions whatsoever, which you're gonna absolutely love. Controls are here, joystick docking, dynamic positioning system, even assisted docking is built into this boat, which makes you a pro every time you dock. You're gonna love it. Very comfortable and just a beautiful machine to operate.
Starting with this beautiful 8-person table, conveniently turns into a 4-person table with cup holders for all of those amazing cocktails we're going to be having. And for all those cocktails, we need a way to keep them cool. So why don't you come check out this double fridge and freezer. Very spacious, ample room. And right up top, we have our floating bar, so you can take that up, down, and all around with you. Now, obviously, if we're having some drinks, we're gonna need some music. And what's a better way to do that than the Hideaway TV that is remote controlled and pops out conveniently from your baseboards. Now, while we're still in the galley, I would love to draw your attention to the handmade fine stitching that is all done in-house by Schaefer in their shipyard in Brazil. So if you'll notice the double diamond stitching, very intricate detail. And again, finest quality leather you're going to find. Very soft, very smooth. And again, this can all be customized to your exact preference. So why don't you follow me and we'll take a look at all of the bedrooms that you have. So you have your one ensuite right here, washroom. We have our wonderful wet head right here. So you'll notice that the shower is right above the toilet. And then if you want to come with me, this is our VIP cabin. So these beds are adjustable and they turn into one singular piece with 2 swift movements of an up and slide. So that way you don't have the extra gap. Ample closet space on both sides, as well as a 42-inch flat screen LED TV.
You're gonna love sitting at the flybridge helm. It's got all the same controls, but you know what? Here you have a panoramic 360-degree view, whether it's having your coffee first thing in the morning or having drinks, entertaining in the evening. It's a great lounge area. I love piloting the boat from this because it's got incredible visibility, unless it's a bad weather day, but the important thing is you have an option. You can sail from down below or sail from up top. This is my favorite spot.
So as we head on out of our VIP suite, I'm gonna show you my favorite suite, which is the master. So come on with me. You'll notice that the master does have its own ensuite washroom, which is super convenient. You don't have to share. And as we come down here, I'm pretty tall, I'd like to say. And as you can see, I have really good clearance. So it's very comfortable to walk around. Beautiful king size bed. Another 42-inch flat screen television. Ample storage space for all of your clothes in those long trips. All right, and with a boat this size, obviously we need closet space because, I mean, what woman doesn't? So you'll notice that we have ample closet and storage space all around the master suite. Full dresser with 6 drawers, separated, all latched in with a single button. So whenever you get those wakes coming at you, you do not have to worry on this vessel or any Schaefer vessel about them sliding in and out and crashing or your stuff moving, which is, as every boater knows, super important. Follow me as we head up all the way to the top to check out this beautiful bow. So as we enter on to the flybridge of this vessel, you'll notice the tinted glass door here that is held firmly in place by the stainless steel material. Again, everything made by Schaefer is made in-house, so you know that you're getting a boat that is made meticulously with perfection. With Schaefer, they have literally thought of everything. So you never have to worry about that glass door shutting down on you. It is very secure with the stainless steel grab rails and latches that are all intertwined and connected together. Obviously, our second helm station right here. Another gourmet station. Now, the great thing about Schaefer is, again, everything is customizable. So right now it is configured to be an ice bucket with a sink and faucet. But for all of you barbecue people, because I know I like my meat, you can actually have this removed and turned into a grill. For all your entertainment needs, look at all of this seating. And oh my gosh, it is so comfortable. You can easily fit 10 to 12 of your closest friends here, or you can have a little bit of an intimate dinner if you just want to enjoy your friend's company. Again, because with Schaefer, we love to entertain, let's point out our amazing acrylic glass holders again. Now, I know when you're on a boat, you obviously want to get some sun, and the best place to do that is obviously on the bow of the vessel. So why don't you come with me and we'll check out all this space. So you'll notice right away you have 1.5 inch thick stainless steel grab rails. Super comfortable, super sturdy, you never have to worry. As we come up here, you see that you can, again, take all of your friends from the flybridge and you can all sit comfortably here with all of your beverages. So these cushions are all actually adjustable, so whether you want to be laying flat down or you want to prop yourself up and get a nice little angle, you can always do that. It's always about your comfort, your convenience, and what you want as a client and customer. Now, many boaters know the problem with sun pads is that they like to fly off in the wind. We've thought about that for you, and every single one of our sun pads is actually zipped down. So put them down, keep them off, totally up to you. But if you want to cruise and keep them up, you never have to worry about them just taking off on you, which personally, as a boater and somebody who's lost a sun pad or two, I really love. We love to save the best for last. So we're gonna go to the stern of the vessel and we're gonna take a look at all the features that are simply on your back swim platform. So follow me. Now let's take a quick look at how much space we actually get once you drop down this fold down balcony. So it's a very easy 1, 2, 3, pop the poles out, put them in your storage compartment right here, fold it up, and you are good to cruise. Now for those days that you just want to anchor down and chill on the water and you want the extra space, fold it down, pop them in, and you're good to go. And you've got an extra 8 feet of walkway, which most boats do not have. For all you grill masters out there, watch this cool feature. So we can easily pull out our full gourmet station with grill, sink, faucet, and counter space very conveniently onto the back swim platform. So while you're grilling, you can also make sure to entertain your guests at the exact same time. How convenient is that? Now, a super cool feature about the Schaefer 450 is the hydraulic swim platform. So not only do you get this crazy amount of space and a swim ladder that goes down for you, if you don't want to use the swim ladder, you could always submerge the swim platform 2 feet underwater to either help get yourself back up easier, or if you have a day tender or a jet ski, makes your life super convenient to get it back on without having to do all of the davits and like stressing yourself out. So for me, with my jet ski, super convenient. Now, another great feature about this particular swim platform with Schaefer Yachts is that all of these come with built-in with this gorgeous staircase that you see. So it makes your life very easy just to walk up with no margin of error.
Be sure to subscribe to Power Boating for more great content.